Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this really cool and very versatile fan. This is a very nice design, metal bladed fan that can drop down. It can move around, it can do a lot of different things. Simply loosening this here, this can drop all the way down to about 47 inches high, or you can crank it all the way up to about 55 inches high. So you've got some different height adjustments with that, which is fantastic. On this, you also can loosen these pieces here. If you're working in a shop or you're working where you don't want to have direct airflow on you, you can loosen those and then crank those down so you can adjust the airflow to push it up or down depending on where you're wanting to have the airflow there, which is really great as well. So you have the versatility to do that and rotate that. You could even point it straight up in the air. And then on the back of this, you actually have 3 separate speeds that you can adjust it to, low, medium, high, depending on how much volume of air that you're wanting to push. And I mean, this thing pushes a lot of volume of air. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on, and maybe I can even point it towards the plant here so you can kind of see the amount of air that this is going to put out here. This is on low speed, not very loud. It's pretty quiet, but I'm going to crank this thing all the way up to high. And I mean, you can just see the amount of air that this thing is just blowing those fake plant leaves around. I mean, this is putting out a lot of air. So you've got a lot of versatility, a nice weighted base on that as well. So you have a very nice weighted base, which is going to keep it from falling over. So with the adjustability features of this, being able to twist it, drop it up or down, and adjust this part here, whichever way that you want to have it, this is a very versatile fan that can work in pretty much any space.